Burning, a psychological thriller about two men, a woman, and a mysterious disappearance. Outside the remote house in the countryside where Jong-soo lives, an unexplained loud noise is heard at night. The noise is the sound of a loudspeaker broadcast from North Korea to South Korea. This is because Jong-soo's village is near the DMZ, or Demilitarized Zone. The DMZ is a buffer zone established by North and South Korea after the Korean War to prevent military conflict, and is considered one of the most militarily tense places in the world. North Korea has set up large loudspeakers near the DMZ to broadcast propaganda broadcasts. In times of peace, it may stop, but when tensions rise, it's always back on. Hearing it in Jong-soo's house means that he lives close to a dangerous area where tensions could escalate at any moment. The sound of North Korea's loudspeakers in the background is a deep reflection of Jong-soo's anxiety and isolation. It's also an important device to symbolize the ambiguity and uncertainty of the mystery he faces. Now that you know the meaning of the DMZ and the loudspeaker noise, don't you feel more sympathetic to Jong-soo's state of mind? What's your curious scene from a Korean movie? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like.